In this video, we'll be talking about how to use email marketing to boost your salon's bookings. Email marketing is a powerful tool that can help you stay in touch with your clients and encourage them to book appointments with you. So why is email marketing so important for salons? First and foremost, it's a cost-effective way to communicate with your clients. It's much cheaper than traditional advertising methods like print ads or radio spots. Additionally, email marketing allows you to target specific groups of clients with personalized messages, increasing the chances of them booking an appointment. The first step to using email marketing effectively is building your email list. You can start by collecting email addresses from your existing clients. You can do this by asking them to sign up for your email list when they book an appointment, or by including a sign-up form on your website. Once you have a list of email addresses, it's time to start crafting your email campaign. Make sure that your emails are personalized and relevant to your clients. Consider segmenting your email list based on factors like age, gender, and previous purchase history. This will help you send targeted messages that are more likely to resonate with your clients. The key to a successful email campaign is creating effective email content. Start by writing compelling subject lines that will encourage your clients to open your emails. Keep your emails short and to the point, and include eye-catching images and clear calls to action. Don't be afraid to experiment with different types of content, like special offers or educational articles. Finally, it's important to measure the success of your email campaign. Use an email marketing platform that can provide you with analytics like open rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates. Use this data to optimize your email campaigns and improve your results over time. So that's it for this video on using email marketing to boost your salon's bookings. I hope that you found these tips to be helpful. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more salon marketing and management tips. Thank you so much for watching.